You can of course add or remove columns. This is just the change from the close from different stocks. Okay. And some of the things I'm trading, like for example, this GFAI, it's negative, but I'm looking for a potential bounce because, it popped up into the race. And look at the longer term, right? You can see what's going on here. Let's look at even longer on a monthly, right? This thing has been, coming down. So you're playing that turnaround. And they're not easy to catch, but if you can catch them, the rewards are exponential. Okay. All right, everyone. Thank you. Just wanted to show you a slightly different viewpoint. Again, my trades, how I manage them. Focus on the P&L. That's where I, let myself know, okay, am I doing something right or am I doing something wrong? Feedback, open P&L, closed P&L. Because, I get out of losers. That's why you see a lot of that. That's a simple risk management strategy. The key is, how much you're up. And you can see that right there. Winning percentage, average win to average loss. You have to like that. And so you can see the total shares you have out there. It's a better vantage point, in my opinion, than anything else you see in the market. And again, we are still going to be taking all of this to the next level. But you should be looking at something like this. That's how I'm able to manage this type of trading style. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Talk to you soon. Bye.